everybody. Welcome to this edition of RMS TV. It's great to have you with us today. Today, we're going to be talking a little bit about having a successful real estate career. I wonder why real estate has become one of the most sought after career paths in the United States. Well, here's a list of reasons people gave when asked why they wanted to be a realtor. I think you'll enjoy this. Take a look at the list. They have expectations of wild success. They can set their own hours. They can be their own boss. Money. Need we say more? Oh, we can. They said easy money. And my two very favorite reasons for becoming a real estate professional, they love people and they love houses. Well, for whatever the reason, I can tell you that there are about 3 million real estate licensees in the United States. That's about 1 for every 100 people. That includes children. Pretty incredible, right? Brian Buffini has a classic joke that fits this to a T. He talks about a police officer who pulls someone over for speeding, and he says to the driver, "Would you please let me see your real estate license?" And the driver said, "You mean you want to see my driver's license?" And the police officer said, "No, not everybody has a driver's license." Yeah, I know, pretty corny, right? But I think you get the point. Anyway, back to the National Association of Realtors. They approximate that 80% of everyone coming into this business will fail within the first 5 years of their career. And 20% of people coming into the business won't make it through their first year. It's very sad. The reasons are pretty apparent when we talk about something in real estate called the 80-20 rule. It's been estimated that about 80% of all the real estate transactions done in this country are done by just 20% of those having a license. The 80-20 rule. So let's take a look at this. What do those 80% have in common? I think it's really interesting. Let's take a look at the list together. Most people coming into real estate are not the entrepreneurial type. They have no idea that being a real estate professional is running your own business. They have a limited knowledge of lead generation. In fact, many agents coming into the business don't believe that's their responsibility. They have inadequate funds. They have no database or circle of influence. They have poor or no marketing skills. Again, when it comes to marketing, many agents don't believe that's their responsibility either. They have no plan. Certainly no written plan, and they have no goals. 80%. It's kind of woeful. Brian Buffini has a partner in his business, Joe Nego, and Joe has an excellent quote, one of my very favorite quotes of all time, as it relates to agents and goals. He says, when it comes to setting goals, most agents aim for nothing and hit it with amazing accuracy. I think that's a great quote. Most agents, 80%, aim for nothing and hit it with amazing accuracy. So how about those 20% at the top? They've got some things in common too. I'd like to share that list with you as well. Take a look on the screen. They understand the entrepreneurial aspect of real estate. the need to be the CEO, the COO, the CFO, the director of marketing, the sales manager, the customer service representative, the psychiatrist, all of the above. They have goals. They have a written business plan. They have a schedulable action plan. They know what they're doing every day of their career. They have a great database, circle of influence, list of relationships. They are constantly tracking results and making subtle changes to their plan. They are being held accountable, and they take 100% responsibility for their success or failure. The vast, vast majority of that 20% are working with a coach or at least an accountability partner. It makes all the difference in the world. So here's the bottom line. Unless you treat your real estate career like a business, complete with a written business plan, and are being held accountable, you have a very low chance of success. Here we are, nearing the end of 2022. 2023 is on the horizon, and I can tell you those top 20% are already working on their business plans for 2023. So how about you? What are you aiming for? Success? Failure? It's really up to you. I've been around this business for a very long time, and I've had the opportunity to work with some real estate professionals that were in that 20% bracket. They're quite incredible. But you know what? They don't have skills beyond your skills, but they do have the knowledge of what it takes to put together a successful career and one that will last for decades. I'd be more than happy to help you put together that business plan. More than happy to help you set some goals. More than happy to help hold you accountable. More than happy to help you thrive in this world of real estate and be a success. Just reach out. Ask me for some help. We'll take a little time, put together a plan, and I can tell you, if you've never had one, you will notice the difference at the end of 2023, for sure. Well, folks, that's all I've got time for today. I hope you enjoyed the success of building a real estate career, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day and a great rest of 2022, and let's get ready for 2023. Bye-bye, everybody. Take care.